I am at the beautiful Oregon Garden today, and I am going to be talking about the Oregon State Federation of Garden Clubs fall event called the Fall Garden Fair, and it's going to be a great event happening next Saturday and Sunday. So first I'm going to talk with Marcia, and so Marcia Kay, you are a past president about the Federation, and so tell us a little bit about it, because garden clubs, maybe they're scary to people, and all you do is talk about flowers, and man, what's it all about?
Well, we'd like to think it's about everything. And it's wonderful to be a member because we do a great deal of good work throughout our state and have for over 90 years.
Wow.
So we're very, very proud of our federation. We do give scholarships to students at Oregon State University.
Wonderful.
And it's an ongoing program.
And there's garden clubs all over the state, and I can find one in my neighborhood, and I can talk to them here at this event that's coming up.
Yes, you can. There are 83 clubs, and there are about 3,000 members.
Wow.
And some of them we hope will be members to be
Excellent, excellent.
after we're done.
All right. Well, now I'm going to talk to Gay. And Gay, tell us all about what's going on. And you're the present president of the
I
Federation
am.
now.
Yes.
So what's happening next weekend?
It is the most exciting event our organization has come together to do in a central, beautiful location like the Oregon Garden.
And there's workshops, classes,
There-
plant sale.
The whole thing. Marcia Kay is going to talk in just a few minutes about the wonderful judged flower show we're going to have here. But we also have 4 workshops each day, Saturday and Sunday. You can come to one or all of them. There is no charge for them because it's part of your admission to the garden.
Oh, nice.
And we're going to have a lot of different vendors here, actual plant vendors or garden supply vendors that people can come and peruse and go home with something for their own special sanctuary.
And children's crafts?
Oh, yes.
That's nice.
Children and youth
Oh.
will have a chance to make something to take home with them as well.
Really a family event.
It is.
And so, Marcia Kay, tell us a little bit about that floral display before we go.
Okay, our flower show is entitled My Oregon, A Gardener's Legacy, and our floral designs involve the history of our state in the scenic and historical
Wow.
preparation.
Be
So
interesting.
we're very much looking forward to having that available. It is open to everyone. It will be in the Oregon Association of Nurseries room in the pavilion, which we think is very, very proper.
Oh, and we can all watch it after it's
And
judged.
we definitely can.
Oh, that is wonderful.
And there will be people always available to answer questions about the designs, about the hort, and about our education displays.
Excellent. Well, you know, it's going to be a wonderful event, and if you go to the Oregon Garden website, you can order tickets ahead of time. You save $2. We can click you over to the Federation website. It's really going to be a great event for the whole family. You pay your admission, and then you get to see this beautiful garden and the event. So please go to Garden Time, and you can check out all that. Thanks so much. Have a great event.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.